In this video, I will be showing you how to buy and sell players in FIFA Mobile. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you have to launch your FIFA Mobile application. So this is what it looks like. Now, in order for you to sell or buy in FIFA Mobile, you have to unlock first market feature. And to do that, you have to rank at least 5. Okay, so your level should be 5 in order to unlock market feature. So once you're here, you just have to tap market. So there are tons of players here, but you just have to click my players, disregard this recommended. So tap continue, tap continue again, and then go to my players. So once you tap My Players, you can now choose or select the player that you want to sell. Okay. So always remember that if you sell this player, it's hard to cancel it. So you just have to tap the player and then click sell. This blue button here, tap the twine. And as you can see, this player cannot be traded because there are some players that can't be traded. So you have to look for another one. So let's just say this one. Okay, click sell. And then you can see here the information. After that, tap sell again. And then required player. Okay, just click confirm. Sale order has been submitted. Click confirm again. Okay, that's it. And you can look for other players. Aside from that, you can sell 2 or more players if you want. Okay, so you just have to do the same thing, tap the player, and then tap this sell button here, and then click confirm, and then tap confirm again. As easy as that. Now, if you want to buy a player, what you're going to do is to simply click that search icon there at the top right corner. Okay, you have to tap that one. And then after you tap that, you have to tap the search again that is beside reset all. Tap search. And then here, these are recommended players that you can purchase. You just have to tap the name or the picture of the player and then tap purchase and make sure that you have enough fund to buy that player. So tap purchase, and once it's confirmed, then you can go to your team or club and you will see there that this player has been added once you purchase him. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.